Talk about peaceful, man. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Morning, y'all. It is that time again. It is time to run. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We are running this morning. It's currently 5:15. I got here late. 15 minutes late, that is. Yeah, I know, that's late for me, man. That's late for me. I got here I tried to get here a little later than I usually do. Because while I was editing the last video, I realized I talked about the hidden waterfall, but I didn't really show y'all the hidden waterfall. And in order for me to do that properly, I kind of need light. So I tried to get out here later than I usually do. I kind of did, but yeah, man, yeah. So that's the game plan. I'm gonna show y'all. I'll actually walk around the entirety of the hidden waterfall and give y'all a good look of the entire thing, because it's pretty amazing, man. It's pretty amazing. I think I mentioned last time, it's probably one of the best sites here in Fort Worth, and not that many people even know about it or how to get to it, because, well, hence the name, Hidden Waterfall. So yeah, man, but it should be really, really cool for y'all. Hope you enjoy it. And today we're doing between 14 and 15 miles. I'm going to be doing my normal route, and that consists of doing deer trail. Kind of what y'all saw last week, but I'm not going to be doing any loops or anything like that. Last run completely wrecked me, so I don't want to do that again. Yeah, I don't want to do that again. I'm still dealing with a little injuries here and there, but if you're a runner, you understand we're never really 100%. We never really are. You just kind of deal with it. And I'll talk a little bit more about dealing with injuries while you're running on the run itself. We'll get more into that. But let's get out here and let's do this thing. I'm ready for it. Hope you are too. Let's get it. Let's go. Alrighty, I'm about to be at mile 2. About to go off of the levee. Here, I'll show you. Okay, so about to get off of this levee right here, and we're heading down. See where those lights are in the distance? That's where we're going. So yeah, I talked about, if you're a runner, you're kind of always injured. You just are, unfortunately. But the thing is, man, what I have learned from past experiences and self-taught and research and everything else, I have learned that the body will quit you first, but the mind won't. So if you can control the mind, you can control the body. See, pain is just an illusion to make you stop achieving your goals. You can't allow anything to hold you back, especially pain. You can push through anything, man. You have to get a grip on your mind and make yourself push forward, even when you don't want to. That goes along with life, running, anything, man. Can't let anything stop you. But for these purposes, can't let pain stop you. Gotta get control of your mind. Because once you do, you're unstoppable. Strong mind, strong body. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Going around this little bend, y'all. Once I get around this this turn right here, we'll be at mile 4. Wide turn, wide turn. All right, man. So, hold on, let me flip this around. Hold on. There we go. So, from here, I got about a mile and a half, maybe 2, until I get to deer territory. Now, if you watched last video, you never know if I'm gonna see deer, where I'm gonna see them, but it's always fun. So hopefully we see some out there. Hopefully no skunks today. Just hit mile 4, running an average of 9:56. Hopefully no skunks today. Hopefully, knock on some wood for me. Thank you. But hopefully some deer. But regardless, we gotta see a hidden waterfall. All right, y'all. Let's get there. Come on. All right, yeah. We're at the first spillway. Pretty epic, right? Pretty epic. Here, I'll stop my watch real quick. Hold on. Pretty cool, right, man? Alright, let me start my watch. Okay. So, we are heading up this hill right here. We got this one, then another one, and then we'll be on top of the levee. And that will be the deer territory. Like I said earlier, man, you never know what I'm gonna see up here. They just stuck there, wild animals. But I don't think the city has been out here in a couple of weeks, so there's a huge potential that we'll see some deer up here. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully we capture some. Hopefully I get to chase some. Ooh, so much fun. But I gotta get up these hills and then hopefully chase some deer. Let's go. Deer. Y'all see them? Look at the light. Look. What's up, bud? You wanna run? Let's run. I wanna run. Where you going? I just wanna have some fun. Look down by the river. See the eyes shining back at me? Look at the eye shine. Hold on. I'll stop my watch again. See that shine? That's the deer. I don't know what to do. This one's a buck. This one looks like a doe. Woo! You don't want to run anymore? Okay. Oh wait, are you a... What's up, y'all? You just gonna stare at me? You don't want me to chase you? They don't know what to do. They're like, why is this guy shining this light at me? All right, I'll leave y'all alone. Oh, you going? Okay. All right, buddy. Y'all have a good one. Oh yeah, love this stuff. All right, Let's get back at it. Alrighty. Woo. Gotta get across this bridge. Oh, here we go. Oh, that thing sucks. Okay, so this is a super active bridge. Gotta get across it. I'll shine my light behind me, just in case someone comes from behind. What is that? Is that a bag? That's a trash bag. Somebody just threw a bag of trash? Man, that's crazy. Don't do that. Okay. I gotta take my time down this hill. It's just super, super steep. There we go. Alrighty, yeah. We are on the opposite side of the Trinity. So if you can see, hold on, I'll turn this light off. It's pretty dark out here on this side. Hold on, I'll stop my watch and actually show you what it really, really looks like. Hold on. That's what it really looks like out here. So pretty dark, pretty dark. While I was on the other side, I was scanning this area, but it was so dark that I really, really couldn't tell if there was anything out here. But in about a mile from where I am right now, it starts lighting up. But over here, this area over here, if y'all can't see where my light is straight ahead. That is where a lot of deer have been in the past. I mean, I already saw some on the other side, so there's a huge potential of seeing some over here. But regardless, man, I already chased some deer. That's what's up. All right, let's get back to running. Woo, oh, woo, boy. That's why y'all always gotta pay attention to the trails. But I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I have a really, really strong wind cooling me off. Feels amazing. Really, really needed that. I think it was like 85 when I got out of the car, so it's already hot. So that wind is very, very welcomed. So I haven't seen any deer yet, but still got about maybe a mile. That sounds about right. Until I get to the area that really has them. See, we're gonna follow this trail right here, and we're gonna go all the way around. See those two lights in the distance? That's where we're going. So, still got a ways to go. But got a gas tank like nobody's business. Let's just keep at it, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, that's a lot of deer. That is a lot of deer staring at me right now. 4 of them. Oh crap, those are bucks too. Those are 2 bucks. That's a buck. That looks like a doe. What y'all gonna do? Oh, there's another one. I didn't even see that one. I don't think they want to. They don't really want to play today. Uh-oh. Sorry, y'all. Had the flashlight in the way. Sorry about that. There we go. Not bad, y'all. Hopefully I can see him still. Yeah, I can still see him. There they go. I'm gonna leave them alone. It's pretty epic though, man. Don't necessarily want to turn my back on them. Oh, they're gone. Okay, we're good. That is what's up, man. Hopefully y'all, hold on. There we go. Hopefully y'all able to see them. Hopefully that flashlight wasn't in the way the entire time. I don't think it was though. That's what's up, man. How many was that? 5, I think? Yeah. All right. Got about a mile until I get to the Hidden Waterfall. So let's get there. Who knows what else I'm gonna run into? Who knows? Oh my gosh, man. There are so many skunks out right now. I see you. I see you. Oh, whoa. Wait, you're looking right at me. I'm gonna leave you alone. Ooh, boy, you're looking ferocious right now. Nope. Nope. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it, man. I can see the anger in his eyes. Nope. Nope. Not getting sprayed today, man. I'm not getting sprayed today. Time to go. Can't stand skunks, man. That's like the 3rd one I've seen. I just been running past all of them up until that point. Because I yelled at him before and he didn't move. And I was like, oh, you're an aggressive boy. I should probably get this on camera. That's terrible logic, but it is true. Alright. Almost hit a waterfall. Let's go. Alright, yeah, I am at mile, should check that, 863. Just got to the Hidden Waterfall. Man, oh, it feels so much better. Just got to the Hidden Waterfall. It's still super dark, so I can't really show y'all anything quite yet. But the sun should be coming up pretty soon. So while I wait for the sun to come up, let me see if I can show y'all this. Yeah, see, it's starting to brighten up. Once the sun is really, really up, I'll show y'all for sure. Alright, let's go over here. I can probably hear the waterfall. Yeah, y'all can't really see it, but this is the waterfall right here. Like I said, once the sun really comes up, I'll actually follow. You know what, this is kind of treacherous this way. I'll probably double back, and there's a trail back this way, and it loops around over here, over there, all the way, and actually you can walk across the waterfall right over here. So once it gets a little brighter, we'll take a little stroll around the Hidden Waterfall. Stay tuned for that. finally got enough light to show you this. So this is the Hidden Waterfall. Oh, it looks like another runner's coming up here. See in the green right here. But yeah, man, pretty awesome, pretty awesome. Let me go over there and show y'all. So come on along the journey. I've been running this route for a good little while. One of my favorite routes. Like I previously said earlier, not too many people know about this one unless you're a runner or cyclist, because it's pretty secluded. Ugh. That is the Air Force Base. Ooh, look at the clouds. It's pretty gorgeous. I don't want to sneak up on this runner. I probably am going to though. So let's alert him. Morning. Good, good. Have a good run. Uh-huh. It's a runner's thing. Oh, looks like some of the homies been out here. All right. Like I said, I just gotta go around this little bend. Show you some angles of this thing too. Yeah, here we go. I might be able to walk around this little rim right here. Yeah. Pretty epic, man. I want to say, I can get on top of it too. Hold on, before I get too far, let me see. Alright, rest of my gear is okay. There's nobody over there. This kind of looks sketch. Can I do this? Yeah, we can do this. Okay. Well. Woo! Oh yeah, man. Love it. Love it. Alright. I don't want to get my shoes wet. So one thing I can't stand when I'm running. Wet feet. I can't stand it, but I run with Saucony trail shoes, so they're very protected with water. Well, they're kind of waterproof. That's what I meant to say. The words that just came out of my mouth didn't make any sense until I've clarified. Alright, let me show you this. Talk about peaceful, man. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Pretty amazing, right? Yeah. I'll wake up in the morning just to see a glimpse of those views that y'all just saw. But it's time to head back. But before I head back, gotta get hydrated. We're bucked up, man. Oh, delicious. So actually, I will leave my promo code in the description. 20% off of all bucked up products. Highly, highly recommend. Whew. All right, we hydrated up. Let's get this thing. Oh yeah. Talk about amazing. Gorgeous sight to see in the morning. Love it, man. Love it. There you go. Mile 1060. Gotta go around this little bend right here, and it'll take me over there. But from where I am right now, this is actually my normal 4-mile turnaround. See, on Tuesdays I have a recovery run. I do 6 miles, and then on Thursday I do 8. This is my 4-mile turnaround right here. So I know exactly where I am, and once I get around here, I got about 2 miles until I get to my nice cold water. And I'm really looking forward to that. Let's get there. My only real protection from anyone taking my water, that's because I stashed it somewhere. I'm not gonna tell you where, but I stashed it out here. Gotta stay hydrated. Alright, y'all, so I'm at mile hold on, what mile am I at? I'm at mile 1227. From where I'm at right now, probably got 2.5 miles, maybe a little more, maybe a little less, not 100%. It's I'm almost pretty much done, so that's the plus. But I'm gonna be coming around here and going around this little bend right here. Oh, y'all can't really see it. Yeah, you can. Let's come on over here. Oh wow, yeah, let's definitely show you this. There's some kayakers in the lake, or river, I mean. That's cool. They're probably too far out, but I'll show y'all when I get a little closer, because I gotta go over there anyway. But we're gonna follow this river right here, and if y'all really look in the distance, there's a trail. It's the white part right there. That's the levee. I'm gonna get back on there, and then from there I should have maybe a
1.5 miles. I think that's about right. So not too much left. Once I get on top of the levee, I'm pretty much in the home stretch. So just gotta get there, knock this bad boy out. But I'll get a little closer to the kayaks and I'll show you that. Stay tuned. I don't know where they went, y'all. Let me check up here. Hold on. I lost sight of the kayaks. I think it's because they're probably right underneath this lip. I might be able to see them when I get on top. Oh, there they are. Wow, they moved. Hold on. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, there they are. That's cool, man. Out here fishing. That's what's up, dude. Oh, yeah. You talk about glorious. The beautiful downtown Fort Worth in the background. Love it, man. Love my city. Love it. Alrighty, my turnaround is right over here. Right at the end of this trail. Then I'll turn back, empty this gas tank. Let's go, baby. Woo! All right, y'all. Just finished up, man. That was a great run. Had a lot of fun on it. Chased some deer. That was cool. That was cool. Showed y'all the Hidden Waterfall. And it was just an awesome adventure of a run. I thoroughly enjoyed myself out there. Did sweat my butt off, but it's all good, man. Didn't push the pace on this one. I was just having fun out there, putting miles on my legs, enjoying what Mother Nature gave me, and very grateful for what she did give me, because it's an awesome time, man. So let's go over these numbers, y'all. So I ended up running 14.63 miles in 2 hours and 33 minutes with an average pace of 10:30. Not my fastest time or pace, but like I said, this was all about having fun, man. And that, I definitely did have fun. And besides, I told y'all from the very get-go, this one was gonna be between about 14 and 15. I'm right in the middle of there. It's almost as if I know what I'm talking about. But yeah, man, great time out here. Already did my stretching and yoga. Still got sauna work. Still got breath work. Still got cold shower. And still got to eat. So still got some stuff to do to get me somewhat back to 100%. But hey, man, it was an awesome experience. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you subscribe, like, and comment. I will see y'all on the next run.